Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to press on a pulley. Now if you want to see a video I did on how to pull a pulley, like if you're removing it, you can check that out via the link above. I'll also have it down in the description with some other videos that might be helpful for what we're going to cover. But let's go ahead and get started. Now to complete this, these are the only items that you'll need. You will need a pulley pulling set. Now this can be used to pull the pulley off and also to press the new one on. You can buy these online. They're not that expensive. You can also rent these, I believe, from like AutoZone, places like that. So you definitely will need that. We have these different attachments here. These pretty much get screwed into the center of the power steering pump or wherever you're trying to press the pulley. And then you have this attachment and this attachment. I'll show you how to set them up in a minute. But you'll need those that screw on here as well to press that pulley on. You will need two wrenches. For this particular set, it's a 21 millimeter for the large, for this piece here. And then for this one here, it's a 13 millimeter on that end because you will need to hold it steady while the other one rotates to push it in. But depending on the set you get, that might differ. So you will need two wrenches for that and the set. Now for this video, what we're dealing with, we just replaced the power steering pump. In the middle of this rod right here, let's see if we can get a shot of it. You'll see that it's threaded in there. So what I'm going to do, I have this attachment, which is the one that this one uses, and this can be threaded in like this. So what you'll do is you'll thread that into the middle. Now, I still need to set up the rest of it, but I'm just kind of showing you how it's going to go. But let's go ahead and build the full assembly, mount the pulley on it, and then we'll go ahead and tighten it in there and start pressing it on. So as we just saw, this is the one that we're going to be using. So we're going to go ahead and take this piece here, along with this one. We're going to go ahead and thread that all the way on, because this is what's going to be pushing the pulley. Here's the pulley here, so it's going to pretty much go like this. And as we screw that on, it's going to push that pulley completely on. So we want to get this come all the way back. Let's see here. We'll take this. Thread it on like that. So now the pulley, this is the outer part of the pulley. So it's going to go on like this, and then this threaded piece will go inside of the power steering pump shaft. And then as we start to tighten this, we'll be able to get that on there. Let's head over there and I'll screw it in so we can start doing it. So we're bringing this in, line it up right here in the middle, and we'll screw that in. Once it's fully on, we can then take the pulley and line it up on the shaft. There we are. We have it nice and centered, and now we can tighten this right up against it. Want to make sure it's nice and straight. And now we're ready to start tightening it. So we're going to be tightening the 21 mil. So we'll get that one on here. We're going to use this one to hold it steady. And let's just do it like this. And we could actually just hold it here. And I'm just going to go ahead and put a ratchet on that. If need be, you can add some attachments to it to give you a little more, kind of some spacers to build up some of that space, which is what I needed to do because I was running out of room with just the one piece. But we have it almost in place. You want to make sure it's going on straight. And you want to make sure it lines up with the other pulleys, otherwise you're going to have an issue when you go to put the belt on. Everything is nice and tight if you look straight down. Let's see, get a shot down there. It's in line with the other pulley. And if we're looking from up here, that's your alternator. And you can see it's in line there. So next we're going to go ahead and remove it. There we go. And if we look at the pulley, it is right on point where how it needs to be. I'll get a close-up. There's the shaft flush with the pulley. Okay, that wraps up this video on how to press on a pulley. As mentioned at the beginning, if you want to see how to pull one to remove one, the link is down in the description, as well as some other videos that might be helpful for you. Please send me any questions or comments. I hope that this video helped you out with any projects you're working on. I hope it was informative for you. And as always, I appreciate all the support. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.